Hello, I'm Irfan Saif from SKI Technologies, and we are working with Dewei Medical for the last 6 years, and we wish them best of luck for their future. And Dewei Medical is shifting in a new building, and we wish them success for their future business. And I hope this shifting would bring more successful products and more innovative products to their customers.
It's been 3 years of working here in Morocco. Over these years, Freelab worked hard with his manager and all his employees to present Dewei products and spread them all over the kingdom with pride for our great confidence in the high quality of your products. Thus, increasing trust in dealing between the two companies that culminated in the signing of a contract in Greater China with the Dewei company, so that Freelab is the sole representative of all its products in Morocco. We started together, grow together, and will move forward side by side with more brilliance and prosperity. And here we are today. Freelab company, with its manager and employees, congratulates Dewei company of the occasion of the opening of your new branch.
Hello, I'm very happy today to address this word to Mr. Director of Dewei company, as well as Shiri and all the staff. I hope to be with you in this special occasion, but unfortunately I could not due to the current aggravated situation COVID. I congratulate you from Freelab headquarters in this opening of new headquarters, and I would like to tell you that you are really well done. Very wonderful and proud to know Dewei company closely during this my visit to your beautiful country. And it's nice manager and excellent staff. Thank you for the warm reception and hospitality, and congratulations in this opening. Thank you.